Good morning. I'm very, very excited. I've just got out of bed. As you can see, I didn't take my eye makeup off last night and it's under my eyes. So, oh my gosh. I will be sharing something that I think is totally amazing. My partner snores and fidgets and breathes and lays on me. I mean, I lay on him as well. We do like to cuddle up and stuff through the night, but oh, this is through the night, by the way. Oh my gosh. So through the night. So I'm a light sleeper. I have been for my daughter's 27, so 27 years. And yeah, all sorts can wake me up. I have hypersensitive hearing, sensitive skin, like a door will close, a dog will bark, a knock will happen, and it shudders through my body. Dyslexic, I've been told I'm dyspraxic, ADHD, potentially a bit autistic, but you are when you're neurodiverse. We're all born that way. It's completely natural, you know, to change from being neurodiverse thinking style. So with all our senses, multidimensional thinking, putting everything together, connecting, seeing how everything, all the dots join and all that. We're like that before we go to school and go into linear thinking, so just get over it, all right? Non-conformity looks like us. But anyway, when you're hypersensitive and empath as well, clairsentient, oh gosh, you feel and sense everything. Like the smallest little thing can just go into your spine, down your back, into a hip, into your head. Oh my gosh, go into there. The wind in your eyes, the light in your eyes. Oh my gosh. So anyway, I digress. I have a technique that I came up with from round about, I was waking up again from about 2:30, and then it got to 4:00 and it was like, okay, I can sort this out. I'm a meditation teacher, breath work, pranayama, yoga, mindfulness. And for years I've tried so many different things to sleep better through the night, to be more calm, more positive, train the mind, relax the body, particularly if you've got, you know, restless leg syndrome, which luckily I hardly ever get anymore now. Particularly being post-menopause. So yeah, restless leg syndrome, big part of the perimenopause. Restless leg syndrome, big part of being a psychic medium, and not doing the work can get stuck in the legs as well. I know there's other reasons like salt and whatever as well, but this is such a random video. But anyway, a sleep thing I will be sharing, and I don't think it's necessarily just for those of us that are neurodiverse. It's just hypersensitive. And I just think it's a great practice for anybody, anytime, anywhere. It's got so many different levels to it. So many, like when you break it down to the different elements, oh my gosh. And yeah, uses the fingers. I'll say mantra because you have words to focus, different body parts. You're focusing with the breath as well. Oh my gosh. and you can focus on energy. There's so many different ways to use it, so many different ways. Oh my gosh, I'm going to love sharing it. So watch this space, watch this space, watch this space, watch this space. Because we can use mindfulness meditation, and they've proved, science proves actually, that deep meditation is really rejuvenating. So we can be in bed. I mean, I have to have my eyes shut a lot, through the night anyway, because if I don't, I get really sore eyes because they're sensitive to light, sensitive to pollen, sensitive to everything. But they have calmed down a hell of a lot, I have to say. They have got so much better. So I think, for me, definitely, I need to have long periods, so that period through the night of having my eyes shut. So even if I'm not fully asleep, certainly, and I think since I've been using meditation and different practices through the night more, because my brain's been so busy, and my thoughts like clouds. Motorbikes. I've never liked that. Thoughts like clouds. Motorbikes. So this ticks so many boxes, and we have to just relax and surrender that we're awake, and we can use it to our advantage to go into deep meditation, and you can get a lot of healing through it. And it's very rejuvenating and make youthful for youthfulness. Again, they've proved that in science. Just saying. Particularly when we breathe deeper and for longer breaths, increase our lung capacity. It has many, many, many benefits. So if you don't want to believe, a lady that's like 54, just got out of bed, hair's all over the place, makeup down her face, go and do some research on the things that I've said. But I'm so excited to be sharing this. Oh my gosh. And the ripple effect, every time I was going into it really deeply, my partner stopped snoring. So the vibrations we go on affect the vibrations of others around us, cause and effect. Oh my gosh. I certainly will be experimenting with this through the night. Probably near enough every night for a little while, because of course being neurodiverse in some ways, we get very fixated on things. So I will definitely be experimenting. Right, I'm shutting up now. Bye. Hopefully we'll have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day, night, whenever you see this, whatever. Love and blessings.